Vivo is preparing a new smartphone dubbed as the Vivo V9 Youth as a stripped-down version of its flagship smartphones, the Vivo V9, which was released just a few days ago. The Vivo V9 Youth, as per the leaked spec sheet, will boast decent specification on paper and could be the cheapest smartphone with a notch when it gets launched in India. The Vivo V9 Youth will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, which also powered by the Vivo V7 and Vivo V7 Plus smartphones launched last year. The specification of the smartphone will remain largely the same, except for the processor and front-facing camera changes. Speaking about the specification of the V9 Youth, it will boast the same 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display as the Vivo V9 with a notch on top. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 450 chipset, unlike the Snapdragon 626, seen on the V9 flagship smartphone. The chipset will be mated to a 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, with support for the storage expansion up to 256GB with a micro SD card. And the leaked sheet says it will be dedicated micro SD card slot and not the hybrid one. The device will also arrive with OTG support. The smartphone will run Android 8.1 Oreo-based FunTouch OS out of the box and will be fueled by 3260 mAh battery. It will offer all the basic sensors such as accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, compass, and gyroscope. Cameras in the V9 Youth include 16-megapixel selfie shooter, down from 24-megapixel unit seen on the Vivo V9. It will have dual camera setup with a 16-megapixel primary sensor, but the details of the second sensor are still unknown at the moment. It could be a 5-megapixel unit as seen on the Vivo V9 or a 2-megapixel unit, but it would be a depth sensor. The device will measure 7.89mm in thickness and 150 grams in weight, which again is similar to the Vivo V9. Having said that, Vivo could launch the V9 Youth smartphones in the Indian market and other emerging markets. But do take this news with a pinch of salt, as there's no confirmation from Vivo officially, and the leaked spec sheet has a lot of minor errors.